Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up the upload of new contacts from Zoho CRM to the BulkSMS service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Zoho to other systems. For example, through the BulkSMS service, you can send SMS notifications when a new contact appears in Zoho CRM. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next you need to select the Zoho CRM data source system. Next, you need to choose an action. Get contacts, new. Next you need to connect your Zoho CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window we need to specify the username and password of the Zoho personal account. You also need to grant ApiX-Drive permission to work with your Zoho account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Zoho system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see data for one of your contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Zoho CRM data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Select BulkSMS as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Send SMS. At this stage you need to connect your BulkSMS account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the login and password of your personal account BulkSMS. When the required fields are filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage you see BulkSMS fields for sending SMS messages. In the Sender Alpha Name field, you need to specify the username that will be used to send SMS messages. This username must be pre-registered in BulkSMS. You can enter it manually in this field. In the recipient phone number field, you must specify a variable from Zoho CRM that contains the user's phone number to which the SMS message will be sent. To assign a variable to a field, click on it and select the variable from the drop-down list. In the message field, you need to compose the text of the message that will be sent through the BulkSMS service as an SMS notification for each new contact from Zoho CRM. When the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent as an SMS message for each new contact from Zoho CRM. If something does not suit you, click Edit and go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to BulkSMS. After successful sending, go to BulkSMS and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the BulkSMS data reception setup. Now you need to enable auto update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.